Make sure all the valves are open. The valves on the side of the filter should be up and down, and the circular filter with the circular cover, that valve needs to be open as well to get the suction. And put the doohickey in the skimmer. Make sure the hose is filled. Stuff the hose into the doohickey, all while keeping the bottom piece of this filter head off the ground so you can have suction. Once that happens,
Turn the bottom filter. Turn the bottom valve.
Turn the bottom valve on the filter on so that it sucks from the bottom as well. And then you're good to go. So then all you got to do is slowly do this. If you do it too fast, you're just going to stir up the stuff and you'll be here for days. So you got to vacuum the entire pool and come back for the next instruction.